Hey, this is Mark. On this video I'm going to talk about how to customize app icons on iOS 18. But before I talk about that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So we want to pull down from right side to the bottom, and this is the control center. Then you want to long hold on the top left on the plus icon, and from here at the bottom click on add a control. Now you can add anything you want. So for example, like text size, then you can make it bigger or smaller. Let's say we want to add a connectivity. As you can see, you can make it bigger, or you can then resize it. You can play around with it. So that's basically how you change the controls in Control Center. You can add things, remove things. Let's say I want to add this as a feature. I want to ping my Apple Watch. I can again resize it, move it to wherever I want, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.